Hi everyone, in this short clip, I'm going to share you a small tip for HackTheBox machines, just in case you didn't know. In this particular scenario, I was trying to upload my binary to the target machine, specifically to TMP or even home user, and found out both were cramped. At first, I tried to free some disk space, and obviously at one point I was trying to nuke the whole shit. But thanks to my limited permission as a user, there was not much I could do. Only 4 kilobytes? Since I had an ample amount of time, I decided to poke around a bit, but not recommended. The good thing is, seems like we've got some space in RAM. tmpfs is a file system in RAM, so writing here doesn't touch the disk at all. It's faster and perfect for no space left situations like this. So in a nutshell, this mounting structure shows a mount point run, which holds runtime state like PID files, sockets, and is cleared at boot. Dev SDA2 is your main disk, which is full here. It contains root FS, including home, TMP, and dev SHM is a shared memory and RAM scratchpad, so it's good for temporary binaries. And run lock is a tiny lock directory. It prevents double services from starting. And run user 1000 is a user-specific runtime directory. So in this case, dev shm is our guy. If you're not someone who likes going down the rabbit hole, just pivot to something like this. Now we tweak the file permission and path, run your command, and voila the root shell.